Hey everybody, this is Kyla at the MJC, and I'm here with one last form on the stipulation to change. And this isn't actually a form, this is just your set of directions on how to file the stipulation to change here in Milwaukee County. So when you're done filling out that stipulation form, you'll want to make sure that both you and the other parent have signed it, and you'll make sure you attach that order to change form. That's the FA 604B form that we showed you how to fill out in our last video. And you'll attach that stipulation and the order. You can treat them like they're just one packet of papers. And then you're going to take that whole packet with the stipulation and order in it, and you're going to make 2 photocopies of it. So you should end up with the original and 2 photocopies of your entire packet with both the stipulation and the order in it. Then you'll want to make sure you're going to go out and you're going to get 2 envelopes, just normal business envelopes, and you're going to write your address on it as if it's being mailed to you on one envelope, and write the other person's address as if it's being mailed to them on the other envelope, and make sure you put a stamp on each one. You don't need to put anything inside the envelopes. They are what the court will use to send you their response to the stipulation and order that you submitted to them. Here in Milwaukee, if you don't have stamps, you can get stamps from the Milwaukee County Law Library. They're located in room G8 of the Milwaukee County Courthouse. But if you want to get envelopes from somewhere else, that's totally fine. You just need to have 2 envelopes. One is if it's being mailed to you, one is if it's being mailed to the other party. Then you're going to take this whole packet, your original motion, the 2 photocopies, and the 2 envelopes to room 707. That's the Family Court Commissioner's office. Or if you've left the courthouse and you don't want to come back, you could put that whole thing in the mail. So you could put the original, the 2 copies, and the 2 envelopes into a bigger envelope and mail them all to that address. And then what will happen is the commissioners will review your form, your stipulation, and they'll either say yes or no to it. They'll return, you'll get it back, and it'll be signed if it was approved. If it wasn't approved, they usually have a form letter on top that tells you what's wrong with it. And so at that point, if the letter makes sense and you know what to change, that's great. Otherwise, if you have additional questions about what to do and why yours wasn't approved, you can come back to the Milwaukee Justice Center or come to the Milwaukee Justice Center for the first time, and we can help you fill out the form if that was the issue. Or if you need legal advice, we can also refer you to resources where you could talk to an attorney volunteer. So those are the steps for filing the stipulation to change in Milwaukee County. If you don't live in Milwaukee County, we would recommend contacting your local clerk of court or family court commissioner office to find out how you file the stipulation in your county. And that's it. Thank you guys for following, and I hope that all of your stipulations go well.